Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the headset and account so the reset runs smoothly. Power off the Meta Quest 3 and make sure battery is above 50%. This prevents interruptions. Once done, confirm your Meta account email and password because you will need to relink the device. Also back up any saved cloud data and note paired controllers. Backups save time later. Now hold the power and volume down buttons together to enter the boot menu. That begins the factory reset process. Once you're in the boot menu, use the volume buttons to move through options. This is how you navigate without the UI. Highlight Factory Reset and press the power button to select it. Then confirm the action when prompted, because this permanently erases local data. The headset will begin wiping and rebooting. Expect 5 to 10 minutes depending on storage. Make sure you do not unplug or force power off during this phase, since interruptions can leave the device in an unstable state. After the wipe finishes, the Quest 3 reboots into the initial setup flow. Follow on-screen prompts to choose language, connect Wi-Fi, and sign into your Meta account. Make sure to pair controllers and restore cloud sync data if available, because that brings back your library and settings. If the headset fails to boot or the reset stalls, try the factory reset again from the boot menu. If problems persist, contact Meta support and provide error behavior and any LED or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.